Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the week, or every 10 days, where I'll just talk about the three key indicators of the EVE economy. And yeah, let's jump into it. We know what the three key indicators are, right, guys? Which is PLEX. Let's take a look at the PLEX and at the history. So yeah, we're only gonna look for the last today's in today videos. I'm also gonna predict a little bit. I'm gonna talk a little bit more in depth. Yeah, I mean, what we see is the Plex is a steady upward pressure, and so like in early May, saw Plex like sitting quite comfortable at 4.5 million to 4.6 million isk range. But however, it just started around like a couple of days ago. So like a distinct upward trend and pushed the average past to, as we can see, 4.8 and grazing 4.9 million isk by the last, or May 13th. And the trend is bullish. It demands a consistent outpacing supply right now and pushing the floor higher day by day. And unless CCP announces like another sudden Plex sell or highly desirable NAS store bundle drop, which sometimes can cause people to dump hoarder Plex. Plex is likely to test psychological barriers, so 5 million ISK soon. It will likely stabilize in the 4.85, 4.95 band. And I know that I keep saying this like in every episode, but I'm pretty sure this time around this prediction is correct. So if you want to, if you hold Plex, keep holding it. The trend is your friend right now. So if you need Plex, just buy now before it crosses the 5 million, or place aggressive buy order slightly below the current average. Maybe around 4.75 million to catch undercutters. Do not buy directly from sell orders right now. And for Isogen, that is the breakout anomaly, and it is the most explosive chart of the three. Let's take a look. Isogen. Yeah, from my third to my sixth, Isogen was like highly stable and hovering around 186 to 189 isk. Then on May 5th, it spiked to 219, and by the May 8th and into May 12 to 13, it blasted like into 235, 246 X range. And that massive supply shock or sudden demand surge, and almost a 30% jump of price over 70 hours usually indicates a massive capital ship build cycle kicking off, and significant war-related destruction, likely in low sec or faction warfare where Isogen demands are higher, or just like a major null sec bottleneck. And I predict sharp spikes like I usually see in the dead cat bounce, or slight correction of station traders dump their stockpile to cash in on the high prices. Expect like the price to correct downward slightly, likely finding a new higher support floor around like 210 to 220 isk. And if you hold Isogen, I suggest to sell it. Look at that, a significant portion of your stockpile into the current buy orders, or list them slightly below 240 isk mark, and capitalize on this panic buying. And if you manufacture, just halt production of your Isogen heavy ships unless your margins were already incredible wide, and buying Isogen at 240 isk will ruin your profitability. So yep, that's my takes on the Isogen. Let's take a look at what the one more key indicators, and that is Helium Isotopes. And you know, have been incredibly erratic. On May 4th and May 6th, the prices spiked up to roughly 888 isk. But however, interrelated between those days, like May 5th and May 7th to May 11th, and the prices cratered back to 740 to 750 range, and the high volatility, high bounce trading. There is no clear directional trend, just large swings between 740 isk to 880 isk. This is often driven by like localized capital jump riders movements or fueling cycles for specific alliances. And this asset is currently bouncing between strong support at 740 isk to strong resistance near 890 isk, and will likely continue to ping pong behavior over the next week. And this is the perfect asset for margin trading right now. Set up sell buy orders in the 745 to 755 isk range. When they fill up, immediately release them and sell orders to 850 to 870 isk range. Then I hold a long-term play the swings. So that'll be it with my takes, and I made a couple of predictions, not just talking about it this weekend or this 10-day when I'm actually doing the review of those 3 key indicators. Let me know what you guys think about it, and I'll see you into the next one. Bye bye.